Welcome back to Naughty Nat's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a really simple self-saucing chocolate pudding. So we have a few simple ingredients. We've got we will have melted chocolate, butter, flour, cocoa, brown sugar, milk, maple syrup and vanilla. So the first step is to pop into a small saucepan your chocolate, the butter and our half a cup of milk. So we're going to pop this on the stove top and I'll just give it a little stir so we're making sure that the chocolate doesn't stick to the bottom, and that'll only take a few minutes. Okay, so that's nicely melted. We're just going to add to that our tablespoon of maple syrup, if I can get it open. That works. And some vanilla. It's about half a teaspoon. Give that a little stir and we're going to pop that into our bowl and then add the flour to it. So don't bring this to the boil, just keep it so that it's not too hot for adding our flour. So our flour can go straight in there. Give it a good mix. And we have a greased casserole dish. Okay, so we just want to get a few lumps out of that and we're going to pour it into our casserole dish. Put that up there to make it easier. We'll get all the nice chocolate out. So we've popped that in there. We're going to sprinkle our sugar and our cocoa over the top of that, and while that's happening I'm just going to boil some water. Okay, so we've boiled the water. Now we're going to sprinkle over our brown sugar and our cocoa. Don't have to be too fussy, just give it a sprinkle. And this is what's going to make the lovely sauce underneath. And our cocoa. Very simple and easy, this one. This is what we used to have when we were kids growing up. And we're going to pour over that 1.5 cups of boiling water, but I'm pouring it over the back of the spoon so that it distributes it evenly. So we still need to add our other cup of boiling water. So over the spoon again. And that's very simple little pudding. So we're going to pop this in the oven and it's going to take about 45 to 50 minutes, 170 degrees Celsius, fan forced. And when it's a little bit firm on top, we'll be able to take it out and enjoy. So here we have our lovely chocolate self-saucing pudding and you can see the sauce bubbling up around the outside. We're just going to let it rest for a minute or two and then we can serve it up, and you can use ice cream, cream, whichever you prefer to have with it.